Hey everyone, Connor from Tate Real Estate with your April market wrap for Wangaratta. Let's dive into what's been happening in our local market. Sales and listings update. In April, we saw 25 houses sell, 3 units sell, and 0 blocks of land were sold. New listings included 25 houses, 5 units, and 0 blocks of land. Featured new listings. There's some great stock on the market right now. 14 Callander Avenue, Wangaratta, a 3-bedroom brick home on over 800 metres square, just a short walk to town, listed at $520,000. 23 Matheson Street, Wangaratta, a classic West End, 3-bed up, ideal for first home buyers, priced at $479. 44 Burke Street, Wangaratta, versatile family home in the high 400,000s, well positioned and full of potential. Year on year, the market insights. Interestingly, in April 2024, there were nearly double the number of house sales. 43 homes and units sold this time last year. Despite the lower volume this year, we've seen modest rise in the median house value. April 2024, 516,000. April 2025, 524,000. This shows the market's gaining momentum both in value and volume, so if you're thinking of selling, this could be a great time to take advantage. And if you're a buyer and investor, acting now may help you lock in better value before we see the next uplift. Rental market. 19 houses were available for rent in April and 5 already leased. 5 units were listed, 1 already leased. The vacancy rate remains low, just 0.3%, indicating a strong demand and competitive returns for investors. Over the past 12 months, it's estimated 30 to 40% of property sales in Victoria were actually investment properties. This trend is driven by high interest rates and has led to a 3.6% drop in rental bonds lodged, or roughly 24,500 fewer homes in the private rental market. This tightening of supply may lead to higher rentals and also better investments for people into the future. RBA, the economic update. Inflation data continues to trend in the right direction. Headline inflation dropped from 2.5% in January to 2.4% in Feb, staying well within the RBA's target range. This improves the chances of future cuts, which may support both buyer confidence and market activity. Election and housing policy. April was a bit of a disrupted month with Anzac Day, Easter, and now the upcoming election on May the 3rd. Housing policy is the forefront of the political agenda, and it's important to understand how the major parties differ. Labor, $10 billion investment for 100,000 new homes. Tax rate cut from 16% to 14% for low-income earners. Coalition, mortgage interest tax deductions on new builds up to $650,000. Access to $50,000 super to buy a home. The Greens support the rent freezes. Cap negative gearing to 2 properties per person. If you're a homeowner, investor or renter, now's the time to stay informed. Our agency at Tate Real Estate has unpacked these policies and we can help guide you and how they may affect you now and into the months to come. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you follow and like us on socials and stay updated with everything Tate Real Estate in Wangaratta. Until next time, take care.